Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the 20 Singapore cent standard circulation coin, which was launched in the years from 1992 to 2013 by the government of Singapore. 20 Singapore cents is equivalent to 1 Singapore dollar. These coins were made from the copper nickel metal and were minted in Singapore Mint, Singapore. Now let us see the physical structure of the coin. It is a round-shaped coin with reeded edge. It is made by using the milled technique. The coin has a weight of 4.5 grams, diameter of 21.36 millimeters and thickness of 1.72 millimeters. The coins which were minted before the year 1992 had ribbon upwards in the emblem of Singapore on the obverse side, and the coins which were minted from the year 1992 have ribbon downwards in the emblem of Singapore on the obverse side. Christopher Ironside is the artist and engraver of the obverse side and reverse side of the coin. Now let us discuss the obverse side of the coin. At the center of the coin, it shows the emblem of Singapore, which consists of a shield at the center bearing a crescent, a new moon, representing a young nation on the ascendant, and 5 stars, representing democracy, peace, progress, justice and equality, supported by a lion and a tiger, representing Singapore's namesake and the country's historical ties to the Malay Peninsula. Below them is a ribbon inscribed with Majulah Singapura in Malay language, which means onward Singapore. Next, below the central image of the emblem of Singapore, it has the year of issue, which can be between the years 1992 to 2013. As in the current coin, it is 1997, and, next, it shows the lettering, Singapore, on all 4 sides of the coin. That is, in English on the bottom side, in Tamil on the left side, in Chinese on the right side, and, in Malay on the top side. Now let us discuss the reverse side of the coin. At the center of the coin, it shows the image of a powderpuff plant frond, whose binomial name is Kaliandra surinamensis. It is also known as pink powder puff, pompon de Marin, Suriname powder puff, Surinamese stick pea. It is a species of flowering plants of the genus Kaliandra in the family Fabaceae. Kaliandra surinamensis is a low-branching evergreen tropical shrub that is named after Suriname, a country in northern South America. The plant usually has complexly branched multiple trunks and grows to a height of about 5 meters, although many sources suggest that it only attains a height of 3 meters. Left unpruned, it grows long thin branches that eventually droop down onto the ground. The leaves close and droop from dusk until morning, when they once again reopen. Kaliandra surinamensis contains 3 important compounds: myrectin, which contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, lupiol, which contains anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, and ferulic acid, which contains antimicrobial properties. Next, above the central image, on the top side of the coin, it has the text 20 cents in English, which is the face value or denomination value of the coin, and, next, below the central image, on the bottom side of the coin, it has a numeral 20 in English, which is the numeral face value or numeral denomination value of the coin. Here, we reach the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you soon. Goodbye.